That is an ollie. It's the foundation of almost every single trick in skateboarding. And if you've been trying to figure it out, watching videos, trying in your driveway, not getting it, this video is going to change all of that. 3 drills in order. By the end, you'll understand exactly what your body needs to do to get that skateboard off the ground. Don't skip ahead. It's important that you do every single step. My name is Aaron Cairo. I'm a sponsored skateboarder from the San Francisco Bay Area. I've been skateboarding for 32 years and I've taught hundreds of thousands of people how to skate. From people who have never stepped on a board all the way up to people landing their first kickflips and beyond. The ollie is the most important trick you will ever learn. Everything else, kickflips, heel flips, grinds, gaps, it all starts with the ollie. Most tutorials show you the trick and say pop, slide your foot, but there are 3 separate things your body has to learn. And if you try to do all 3 at once, you're going to struggle. That is the #1 most common mistake and why people get frustrated and want to quit. So we're going to break it down one piece at a time. Let's get started. On the first drill, your board is not moving. We're starting on the ground. First, foot position. This is where most beginners go wrong before they even try the trick. Your back foot goes here, toes are centered on the tail, not hanging off the edge, not too far back, right on the curve of the tail. Your front foot is on the board just behind the front bolts. Give yourself a good position so your feet are not too close, not too wide, and you have some room to actually drag your foot up the board. Now the pop. Your back foot is going to snap the tail down into the ground hard and fast like you're stomping out a fire. But you're not actually pushing your foot to the ground. That is the key here. You're actually jumping from the board. You're not pushing your back foot to the ground and then jumping off the ground. You're actually jumping off the board, which you can see in super slow motion. Your foot actually leaves the board before that tail hits the ground. That's a very important distinction to understand. Here's what the pop is not. It's not a slow push, it's a snap. It is with the power in your ankle. Your back ankle is gonna flap that tail into the ground as hard as you can, and that's gonna pop that board into the air. See that? The board slams into the ground. That's the pop, fast, sharp, straight down. Your drill right now is to stand on the board, don't go anywhere, just practice snapping that tail. Do that drill 10 times. Okay, drill 2 is the one that nobody explains properly, and it's the reason the ollie looks like magic to most beginners. Once you understand this, the whole trick is going to make sense, so do not skip it. After you pop the tail, your front foot slides up the board toward the nose. That sliding motion is what levels the board out in the air. It's actually what brings the board up into the air and makes it level out. Without it, the tail pops up, the nose stays up into the air, and you're just really doing an ugly hop. Or what I like to call a beginner ollie, which honestly, right there you have technically done an ollie, but what we want to do is take the ollie from looking like this, where your nose is high up in the air, and it's what we call in skateboarding a rocket, because it's like in the direction a rocket will shoot from, to a more leveled out ollie, a proper ollie where your board is leveled out in the air. So let me show you the slide in isolation before you combine it with the pop. The front foot slides mid-board, slides up the nose, and the ankle rolls so that the side of the shoe drags up the grip tape. It's very important to understand which part of your shoe is actually dragging up the grip tape. A lot of people do this with the toes, which is not correct. This is not a kickflip, it's an ollie. It's in a very different part of your shoe. It's not a kick forward, it's a slide up, like you're wiping something off of the board with the side of your foot. That's the mistake. Kicking forward doesn't level the board out. Sliding up does. Watch what happens when my student gets the slide right. See how the board starts to level out? That's the slide doing its job. Your drill is to stand on the board, pop the tail, and practice sliding that front foot up. No jumping yet, just pop and then slide. Do 10 reps of this. You can actually just stand still with your back foot on the ground and just drag your front foot up in repetition. All of skateboarding is muscle memory. And what we want to do is break the different steps of the ollie down into the different drills so you can just practice that muscle memory and get it right. There's different ways to think about tricks, and there's different ways to get yourself past fears. But what we're working on now is just the pure muscle memory of it. Quick one, drop a comment below which part of the ollie has been the hardest for you, the pop, the slide, or the timing. I read every comment and it actually helps me know what videos you guys would like me to make next. All right, you got the pop, you got the slide. Now we're going to put them together and add the jump. Here's the sequence. Pop the tail down, jump up, slide the front foot toward the nose, and land. And I know what you're thinking, that's a lot at once. Well, you are absolutely correct. This is where timing comes in. The pop and the jump happen almost at the same moment, but not quite. I like to call the pop 1 and the slide 2. So what I say is like, it's not like 1, 2 or 1, 2 all at the same time. It's 1 and then 2. I'm saying it slow on purpose to emphasize that 2 has got to come after 1. A lot of beginners learn step 1 and then step 2, and they try to do it all at the same time, and that's never going to work. First it's the pop, then it's the slide, and the jump goes up into the air. You got it. See that? That one was low, that's fine, you're filling out the timing. 2 most common problems at this stage. 1, the board is not popping up and is not leveling out. That means your front foot slide is not happening. A good idea is to set up your phone or whatever camera you have and film yourself and see if your ollie looks like this, what I would call like a beginner ollie, where the nose is really high into the air, or if your ollie looks more like this, where the board is more leveled out. And you can just simply watch the video back and see if your front foot is doing that proper slide motion. If it's not, go back and drill step number 2. Feel that slide right before and then put it all together. The second common mistake that can go wrong is you're jumping too early or too late. Timing is everything in skateboarding. And once you get it down, you will have it down and you'll be able to do these things with your eyes closed, anywhere, in any circumstance. The pop and the jump needs to be perfectly timed. If your jump is happening after the pop and it's too late, it's not gonna work. If it's happening too early, it's not gonna work. Now watch this student. Watch how the attempts change as the timing clicks. Notice on some of these how the back foot is quite literally holding the board to the ground, and how some of these the timing is just off. Can you see it? That's what's so cool about skateboarding, is that it's all physical. It's quite literally just muscle memory, and if you can actually look at what's happening, you can actually debug your own skateboarding. You can set up a camera, film yourself doing the trick a bunch of times, and then watch a series of, well, super slow motion really helps because you can really see the motions of the feet, both feet. But you can also just watch a normal shot of an ollie and look at yours, and then you can see, oh, well, my front foot isn't doing that. My back foot isn't popping. I'm doing something totally different. And that will help you to understand what you're doing. A lot of people have learned how to do the ollie just by seeing a good slow motion shot of one and then going, oh, that makes sense. Once it clicks in your head, you can then drill the muscle and get those muscle memory down. And that timing is right, you've got an ollie, and it's a beautiful thing. Pop the tail, jump, slide the foot, stay over the board. That is the whole trick. If these drills made the ollie finally make sense, hit the like button. It helps more beginners find this video, and getting people started in skateboarding is the whole point. That is the reason I do what I do. That is the reason Braille is existing right now and has always existed. Getting brand new skaters into skateboarding. That's what we do. Now the ollie is just the beginning. If you want a complete system that takes you through every trick in the right order, what to learn next, when to learn it, and how to practice it every single day, that's the Braille Skateboarding Academy. It's the same method I've used to teach hundreds of thousands of people how to skate, built into a daily progress program that you're always progressing with. Every single day you will be progressing. Not just randomly trying tricks, falling, having failures, and feeling like this is super frustrating and that it sucks. Link is in the description below. Come skate with us.